this hole gone? Funny, you're the broken one, but I'm the only one who needed saving. 'Cause when you never see the light, it's hard to know which one of us is caving. Not really sure how to feel about it. Something in the way you move makes me feel like I can't live without you. It takes me out the way. I want you to stay. I want you to stay. I think I've had enough. I might get a little drunk. I say what's on my mind. I might do a little time. 'Cause all of my kindness is taken for weakness. Now I'm 4 or 5 seconds from wildin', and we got 3 more days till Friday. I'm just trying to make it back home by Monday morning. I swear I wish somebody would tell me, ooh, that's all I want.
Woke up an optimist. Sun was shining, I'm positive.
We can run.
Then I heard you was talking trash.
About a mystery.
Hold me back, I'm about to spaz.
Yeah, I'm about 4 or 5 seconds from wildin', and we got 3 more days till Friday. I'm trying to make it back home by Monday morning. I swear I wish somebody would drive me. Ooh, that's all I want. And I know that you're up tonight, thinking how could I be so selfish? But you called about 1,000 times, wondering where I've been. Now I know that you're out tonight, thinking how could I be so reckless? But I just can't apologize. I hope you can understand.
If I go to jail tonight, promise you'll pay my bill. See, they wanna buy my pride, but that just ain't up for sale. See, all of my kindness is taken for weakness. Now I'm 4 or 5 seconds from wildin', and we got 3 more days till Friday. I'm trying to make it back home by Monday morning. I swear I wish somebody would tell me, ooh, that's all I want. 4 or 5 seconds from wildin', and we got 3 more days till Friday. Just trying
'cause I spend every hour just going through the motions. I can't even get the emotions to come out. Dry as a bone, but I just wanna shout. What now? I just can't figure it out. What now? I guess I'll just wait it out. Wait it out. What now? Somebody tell me what now? I don't know where to go. I don't know what to feel. I don't know how to cry. I don't know. I don't know where to go. I don't know what to feel. I don't know how to cry. I don't know. I don't know where to go. I don't know what to feel. I don't know how to cry. I don't know. So I wanna let you know that you don't have to go. Don't wonder no more what I think about you. If it's something that you want, you should make me your girl, your girl. If it's something that you need, then baby, come and share my world, share my world. If it's something that you want, come and take a walk with me, with me. Everything that you need, I got it right here, baby. Now it's obvious you need a friend to come hold you down. Be that one to share your everything when no one's around. Baby, come tell me your secrets and tell me all your dreams. 'Cause I can see you need someone to trust. You can trust in me. So just call me whenever you're lonely. I'll be your friend, I could be your homie. If it's something that you want, then you should make me your girl, your girl. If it's something that you need, then baby, come and share my world, share my world. Whoa. If it's something that you want, come and take a walk with me, walk with me. Everything that you need, I got it right here, baby. It's been so long, I've had this feeling that we could be everything you've ever wanted in your fantasy. I won't push too hard to break your heart, 'cause my love's sincere. I'm not like any other girl, you know. So let me erase your fears. So just call me whenever you're lonely. I'll be your friend, I could be your homie. You should make me your girl, your girl. If it's something that you need, then baby, come and share my world, share my world. If it's something that you want, come and take a walk with me, walk with me, baby. Everything that you need, I got it right here, baby. Oh, if it's something that you want, you should make me your girl, make me your girl, baby. If it's something that you need, baby, come and share my world. I got what you need, so come share my world. If it's something that you want, come and take a walk with me, walk with me. Everything that you need, I got it right here, baby, baby. So just call me whenever you're lonely. I'll be your friend, I could be your homie. You should make me your girl, your girl. If it's something that you need, then baby, come and share my world, share my world. If it's something that you want, come and take a walk with me, come and take a walk with me. I got it right here, baby, baby. I wanna let you know that you don't have to go. Don't wonder no more what I think about you, what I think about you, boy. I got what you need, so come share my world. Oh, no, no. I think I've had enough. I might get a little drunk. 'cause all of my kindness is taken for weakness. Now I'm 4 or 5 seconds from wildin', and we got 3 more days till Friday. I'm just trying to make it back home by Monday morning. I swear I wish somebody would tell me, ooh, that's all I want.
Woke up an optimist. Sun was shining, I'm positive. Then I heard you was talking trash. Hold me back, I'm about to spaz.
Yeah, about 4 or 5 seconds from wildin', and we got 3 more days till Friday. I'm trying to make it back home by Monday morning. I swear I wish somebody would drive me. Ooh, that's all I want. And I know that you're up tonight, thinking how could I be so selfish? But you called about 1,000 times, wondering where I've been. Now I know that you're up tonight, thinking how could I be so reckless? But I just can't apologize. I hope you can understand.
If I go to jail tonight, promise you'll pay my bill. See, they wanna buy my pride, but that just ain't up for sale. See, all of my kindness, it's taken for weakness. Now I'm 4 or 5 seconds from wildin', and we got 3 more days till Friday. I'm trying to make it back home by Monday morning. I swear I wish somebody would tell me, ooh, that's all I want. 4 or 5 seconds from wildin', and we got 3 more days till Friday. Just trying to make it back home by Monday morning. I swear I wish somebody would tell me, 'cause that's all I want.
Boom.
Word of my mother, these niggas is pussy. Word of my mother, these niggas is pussy.
How you ever, yo, nigga, who did you? Up you in your life, back out there, and I'm ready to.
Word of my mother, these niggas. Word of my mother, these niggas is pussy.
How you every old shot, nigga, who did you shoot? Bop you a bitch and you like 5'2". Back out the knocks and I'm ready to. Back out the knocks and I'm ready to. Ooh, OYOGs when we spin it through. Bullets they hit him, knock him out his shoes. Tired of the talking, what is we gon' do? Tired of the talking, what is we gon' look? I'm a different nigga when I'm creeping. I bought him a shoe for no reason. Brody, he called me, he said that he needed. I told him I got him, I'm squeezing. Free squeeze, man, you know he a demon. So you know what I'm on. Talking on bro in the glizziest drone. Keep dissing my niggas like Will perform. No, we gon' hop out, ain't no talking. Mask on, we gon' scorch him. Fuck is a D thing, we gon' off him. Then Julie bop on his coffin. No, we gon' hop out, ain't no talking. Mask on, we gon' scorch him. Fuck is a D thing, we gon' off him.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. That's better. Hope everyone's blessed. Hope everyone had an amazing night. And of course, we're here to trade NAS100. And of course, thank you. I really appreciate it. really do appreciate it. All right. But we here this Tuesday. This morning we had some slight news. Oh no, we didn't actually. We have news coming up at 10 o'clock. So it should be good for us. We have CB Consumer Confidence. That's at 10 a.m. Let's just read it real quick. Financial confidence is a leading indicator of consumer spending, which accounts for a majority of overall economic activity. I'm not too sure if it's going to give us a lot of volume, but it is a red folder, so it should hopefully give us a sense of direction. We're also getting new home sales and Richmond Manufacturing Index at 10 o'clock. So 10 o'clock is when, as usual, we wait for the move. We wait for the right position. So we're going to get a new 4-hour candle. And with that new 4-hour, if we get a good breakout or a good continuation, we will be in a trade. All right. Give me 1 second. So let's get into it. So we still got about 12 minutes before we get us a new 4-hour candle. All right. As you can see here, this is the hourly. I drew this yesterday. We didn't take any trades. I was predicting us to have a bullish move. I had targets up here somewhere, but I also realized that we were in a bit of a channel. So I figured we were going to just come down and respect it. And that's exactly what we did. We just put this indicator here. We cloned it, put one at the bottom as well. And that's exactly what happened. This was the 4-hour right here, this very bearish candle. We didn't take any trades, but we were able to miss taking a loss, which was clutch. So overall today, we're back in this channel, kind of in the middle of it. I do want to break out, so we're going to set that up. Let's just go to the monthly. Let's start our top-down analysis. All right, support resistance will remain the same. We could actually bring the resistance in due to price. So let's just do that. Let's have a resistance up here. Let's check the weekly. Weekly is very bearish. Only Tuesday. We still got about 3 days left. 4 including today. So I do think we should continue coming down. So let's see what happens. Let's look for some sales. See if we can look for sales today. So our bias today will be bearish. What we will want, even where we are at now with price, this is a decent area for us to close. We already broke the lows, if you see here. So I would assume we're going to continue driving down. I do. So let's grab a closure below here. Let's get a closure below here. Let's get some targets. This will be our first target. Okay. We have potential for 60-point runners. We're about to get news though in 9 minutes. So this news should hopefully help us continue driving down. That's what we're gonna be waiting for. So 2 things. Well, 3 things. First thing is we're getting news at 10 a.m. Second thing, we'll need this 4-hour to close below 12,900. And then at 4 a.m., we will want a top wick. Seeing as there is news at 10 a.m., top wick could end up being 30, 40, 50 points, honestly. So we're going to play it by ear, see what happens. Hopefully we grab enough liquidity, and then we can have a sell stop. So just look out for that. Look out for that. Look out for that. Overall, let's get this money. Let's get our first trade of the week. I'll have to see if it'll be interesting to see if this channel is respected. Let's do it over. Alright, sorry about that. It's the 15-minute. Still got about 6 more minutes. We need this closure below. Closure below is going to be very important. Excuse me. Okay, about to get a new 4 hour. Let's get it. Let's get some money today. Let's get some money. We've got 2 minutes, 2 more minutes, 2 more minutes. We're gonna be in a trade, hopefully. About to get news. We're getting the closure that we've been looking for. Now we just need the top wick. So far, this closure looks pretty good. We got a few seconds left. Let's hope we can grab. First, let's actually check the news. We're gonna still have to wait for the top wick, right? So we're still waiting for that. Still got 20 seconds. We need the top wick. Need the top wick. Need the top wick. Let's check news, check numbers. Still pending. New home sales were good numbers. -10 on Richmond Manufacturing Index. Alright. So far, we're getting a very good top wick. A decent enough top. Alright, numbers, consumer confidence was bad. We're going to have sell stops placed. We have a good top wick. Let's check the 15 real quick. Just double check this. Entry will be 12.886. We've got a 30-point stop loss, which is decent. And we will have our stop, our TP point, at 12.876. All right. So let's see what happens. I'm expecting us to continue driving down. Numbers were bad. All right, let's get rid of this. We got the closure we wanted. Let's clean up this chart. It's getting annoying. We got a good closure below. We should bare minimum hit our 10 points, and if we're lucky, we will move all the way at least until target 1, which is about 16 points. Target 2 is about 42. I am suspecting us to continue driving down. Numbers were bad for consumer confidence. New home sales were decent. They were better than what was forecast, also better than previous. So, I mean, it looks like that's good for price, but the red folder was consumer confidence. So I'm going to assume we're going to continue driving down. We've been driving down since last night, since yesterday. So the beauty of this is we got a good top wick at 4 for the 4 hour. So we should flip bearish, break lows, and continue driving down. So at this point, our trade is set. We have a decent stop loss. Stop loss is going to be 12,916. That's on trading view. On MT4 it's a bit different, but just adjust to whatever your charts look like. So at this point we wait. We do not have an entry yet. As usual, 10 points, gonna move stop loss to BE, and we could take partials. All right. You guys will know when I am in an entry. So far, we are not in. We grab liquidity. Looks like we might get ourselves an entry. So let's get this. Let's get this chicken. Hopefully this is the volume that we've been asking for. Hopefully we get an entry and we get a quick drive. We grab the liquidity. Oh, put this a bit too early. Again, you'll know I'm in the entry as soon as you see this marker. For now, we're still not in. Almost. Got really close to an entry, but did not get in yet. Still not in. Hopefully we don't get slipped. Just got a new 5-minute candle. See what this new 5-minute does. Looks like it's still trying to grab some liquidity. A bit bullish. I'm pretty sure though, as soon as we get that flip bearish, it's gonna be a fast drive down. So just look out for that. Make sure you are able to take partials immediately. And make sure that you move your stop loss to BE. We want to be in a risk-free trade as fast as possible. So that's what we're looking for. This is what we're waiting for. And this is a 4-hour trade based on the 4-hour candle, along with news that came out at 10. Got a good closure below. Now we just need a good drive, and this is why we don't enter in a bit too early. We wait for the liquidation. We wait for market to grab liquidity, right? We don't want to be in this drawdown. That's the main thing. The market is attempting to try to be bullish, try to recover, try to come back up, but I think with news we're gonna come down. And again, nothing's 100%. That's why you have good stop losses. You don't over leverage. You play it safe, right? You don't over risk your account. Could this be our entry? Still not in. Still not in. Still not in. Very, very close, though. Very close. And I am in an entry, guys. There we go. Stop loss is going to be the top of the wick. As usual, 10 points. Move stop loss to BE. Looks like we're already about to break the lows. We are going to have... All right, already slapped. Just like that. Move stop loss to BE. Good fucking shit. Good shit. Good shit. Took another W on stream. That hit 10 points really quickly. All right, already hit BE. It's all good. All good, all good, all good. We were still able to take a good W. Let's get another round of applause, whoever took that. Right, so we took another W on stream. That's what I love. That's what I love. That's what I love. Let's keep it up. Let's keep it up. Damn it, I should have recorded that. So we weren't able to get runners, unfortunately. We did break the lows, though, which is amazing, right? We did break the lows. We are going to look for another opportunity. I want to look for another opportunity. We'll do that at 10:15. It's about 6 more minutes. So 10:15, we'll look for another position. As usual, same thing. We'll need a top wick, and then we'll have an entry. I do think we should be able to have runners to hit all of our targets. So unfortunately, we did hit BE, but 10:15, we could look for another position. We still got about 5 minutes. This could be a double trade day. Could be a double trade day, inshallah. Let's see what happens. Looks like target 1 got slapped. So overall market analysis was correct. Unfortunately, we didn't get the run that we wanted, right? But in 2 minutes, we can hopefully find another entry. So I was only able to grab about 8 points with that trade, but we pulled back a little too quickly. Gets hard doing everything on stream, but it is what it is. Not gonna make excuses. 10:15, we'll be looking for another opportunity, all right? Let's hope we can get the top wick we want, and then we'll be in a position. So this next trade would end up being a 15-minute trade, no longer a 4-hour. It's the 4-hour still valid, seeing as we are hitting targets, but currently this will be a 15-minute trade. It's a new 15 coming right up. Getting that bottom wick that we kind of wanted. This is good. It's almost 10 points. Let's get a top wick. Let's get a top wick. Here we go. We've got 10 seconds left. I want us to have some runners today. Runners. That's what we're looking for. That's why we're still looking for entries. We already took a W today, but we want some runners. We do know that we're gonna come down, so let's try to get a position that could take us down. Again, if you don't get the top wick, then we are not gonna be looking for anything. We need the top wick. All right, looks like it's trying to give us a bit of a wick. Let's see. Overall stop loss. Let's make stop loss a good 20-point stop loss for now, but we are going to have sell stops. At the break of the low, let's say 12.858. Depending on your broker, depending on trading view, whatever it is, 12.858, 12.848. That'll be okay. Okay. So this is our second position, guys. This is our second position for the day. We've already grabbed 8 points. Or I did. I mean, you could have grabbed more. But so far, we've got a second position place. Let's get it. I do suspect we are gonna hit at least target 2. So if we could get an entry, slap target 2, it's at least 15 points. So let's see if we could do it. I am confident in this trade. Numbers were bad. We should continue driving down. Alright, still just grabbing a bit of liquidity. Again, you'll know I'm in as soon as you see this indicator. We have a 20-point stop loss if you haven't heard before. But for now, we're still not in. We're waiting for the entry. We're waiting for the flip, this bearish flip. like the 15 is getting close, but I'm not getting an entry. All right. Almost in. Nope. Still no entry. We're getting very close, but still no entry. About to get a new 5-minute. Let's see what happens with this new 5-minute. Or maybe we'll get an entry. Nope, nope, nope. Keep pulling back. We keep getting within 1 or 2 points, but we keep pulling back up. Here's a new 5-minute though. Let's see what this is gonna do. So previous 5-minute closed doji. Still do not have an entry, but we are pretty close there. Is this it? Yes. All right, guys, we're in trade number 2. We've got a 20-point stop loss. We're going to leave the target for target 2. We can remove this. And now let's get it. We in. Let's get our 10 points and get up out of here. Trade number 2 for the day. We should continue driving down. So we're currently in a little bit of drawdown, but a little drawdown never hurt nobody. You shouldn't be over leveraging. You shouldn't be over trading. You shouldn't have a too big a lot size. And your stop loss should be decent. 0.01, you should be losing 20 points if we do lose. If we get our 10 points, you'll be in a risk-free trade. You can move that stop loss to BE, right? Is this going to be the push that we're asking for? Wow, look at that. Let's get the 10 points, though. Come on, we just broke the low. That's good. Broke the low. Now let's just continue driving down. As usual, please stop loss to BE at 10 points. Don't get greedy. Is this going to be a 2-win day? It's looking like it. Almost there, almost there. Keep driving. At this point, I took my trade out with about 4 points. Unfortunately, this at this point, take your BE, move it to BE, or take your trade out now. Let's not take a loss. We took a trade earlier. I was able to, because that was a very strong push. That was actually the push I was looking for. So I was able to get out with 4 points. You know, we usually wait for the 10 points, but it is what it is. I'm gonna just call it. Not gonna force it. I do still think it's valid, but we already took a W earlier, so I'm going to just take this W with me. So that's 2 Ws in a day. Good shit. Two W's in a day. And this is what I do speak to. You don't have to trade exactly like me. You could use my analysis. You can use my strategy. But For some people, they might want, in the first trade we had, you might want to leave your stop loss where the stop loss we initially had. Was it a 20-point, 25-point stop loss? And you'd still be in this trade. You would have came down to get about 30, 40 points. It's just that when I move my stop loss to be E, we know we have potential to end up still hitting the break-even point, right? But you can adjust your stop loss as you wish. You know, you can wait to move your stop loss until after 20 points, because if you did that, you'd still be in the trade. But everybody's different. Everybody trades differently. I personally like moving it at 10 points because I don't like thinking too much about my trades. I like to be in. I like to be out. I think this was good analysis. I did assume that we were going to come down and break the lows. I still think we're going to break the lows the rest of the day. For now, we are coming back up with this 15. So I do still think we're going to remain below this area here. And if we do that, next 30 minute, probably come up, get a top wick, and drive down, hit the targets. But we're done for the day. We are done for the day. We took 2 W's. They amassed together till about 11, 12 points. The first trade was about, I grabbed about 7, 8. This trade I grabbed about 3 or 4. So not the best overall day, but still a W. What do I say about W's? W's are W's. It doesn't matter how you get it. Just make sure you win. And as long as we didn't take a loss, it's a good day. But at the end of the day, we are going to call it. We got a good W today. Congratulations again to anybody that took it. Good for you. All right, that's about it. I'm going to call it a day. We will be back again tomorrow. Everybody be blessed. Tomorrow's Wednesday. Let's check if we got some news. Tomorrow we've got some orange folders. So it could be important, but we will have to see. We will see. Everybody be blessed. Tell somebody you love them. Go be active. Go work out. Y'all have a great, amazing day. We'll see y'all again tomorrow. Peace.
Young cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Mommy, happy I don't do. I no go feed the girl. I no go feed the girl. It's out though. I'm a mind that's with the talk. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love. I know holy and I know that get both. Like the Baba Frayo, my ayo. Don't cry yo. I need people and shadow. I need people and shadow. I need people and shadow. Shadow. I need people and shadow. I need people and shadow. I need people and shadow. I did Port run then kill Soboma. I did try to buy moto, one Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Lucky Bona. Now some more to remake could have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Maybe another time, maybe another life. You will be my wife and we'll get it right. Young cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Have to say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. To the love of my life. My eye, yo. Don't cry, yo. I need big boy and shadow. 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 Tell me why you're crying, how can it be you? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were dying. Now you come into my yard uninvited. Can't you see me on the edge? I'm enlightened.